Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Next problem is solve d cube plus 8 into y is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1. So here auxiliary equation is equal to d cube plus 8 equal to 0. That is a cube plus d cube formula. That is d cube plus 2 cube equal to 0. And we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, that is d plus 2 into a square minus ab, that is d square minus 2d plus 2 equal to 0. Means a cube plus b cube, use this formula, is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So b square is 4, b is 2. So from this we can write either d plus 2 equal to 0 or d square minus 2d plus 4 equal to 0. So d equal to minus 2 and d equal to, use here minus b plus minus formula. So b equal to minus 2 minus minus plus, that is 2 plus or minus under root of minus 2 square is 4 minus 4 into a into c, ac upon 2a, a is 1. So this is equal to 2 plus or minus under root of 4 minus 16 upon 2. And 4 minus 16 is minus 12 upon 2. 12 you can write 4 into 3 and square root of 4 is 2. So 2 plus or minus 2 root 3i upon 2. How we write this 2 root 3i? 12 write 4 into 3, square root of 4 is 2 and root of minus 1 is I. So if we split numerator here, then this 2 get cancelled, that is 1 plus or minus root 3i. So using this we can write CF is equal to, if we compare this with alpha plus minus I beta, then alpha equal to 1 and beta equal to root 3. So CF is e raised to alpha x, that is e raised to x into C1 cos root 3x plus C2 sin root 3x. This is the CF. Now we have to find PI here. So for PI, we know formula PI is equal to 1 upon phi of d. Phi of d is dq plus f into f of x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1. देखो फ्रेंड्स, जब मैंने आपको फॉर्मूले दिए थे शॉर्टकट मेथड के, मींस if f of x is equal to x raised to m, then how we find pi? So to expand this 1 upon pi of d in ascending powers of d using standard expansion of 1 upon 1 plus z and 1 upon 1 minus z. So for that we want here 1. Now here 1 is not present, so always take constant term common from denominator. If we take 8 common, then we will write here 1. Instead of 8 write 1 plus d cube, divide d cube by 8 into x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1. So this is 1 upon 1 plus d cube by 8, that is say z. This d cube by 8 is z. And we have to use formula here, expansion of 1 upon 1 plus z, that is 1 minus z plus z square minus so on. So expand this 1 upon 1 plus d cube by 8 up to d raised to 4 only. Why? Because fifth derivative of this polynomial is 0. So 1 minus z, 1 minus z means that is d cube by 8 plus z square means d cube by 8 bracket square minus so on. Neglect higher terms. Why? D cube square, that is d raised to 6, and 6 derivative of this polynomial is 0, so don't write remaining terms, into x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1. Now operate this x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1 term by term inside this bracket. So this is equal to 1 by 8 into 1 into that is x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 8 into d cube of x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1 and plus 1 by 8 square, that is 64 into d to the power 6 of x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1 plus so on. equal to 1 by 8 into x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 8 into d cube of this, means third derivative of this polynomial. What is first derivative? First derivative is 4x square plus 2. This is d of that x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1. Then second derivative is d square. So derivative of 4x square plus 2 is 8x. 4x cube here, not 4x square, because x raised to 4a and derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube plus 2. If we find derivative of this again, that is d square, second derivative is 12x square and third derivative is 24x. So d cube of x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1 is 24x plus 1 by 64 into d to the power 6. Here if you find fourth derivative, that is 24 and fifth derivative is 0. So d raised to 6 means sixth derivative of this polynomial, that is 0. So remaining terms are all 0. So 24 by 8 here, simplify 1 by 8 x raised to 24 x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 1. 24 by 8 is minus 3x. So equal to 1 by 8 into x raised to 4 plus 2x minus 3x, that is minus x plus 1. This is the pi. And then write final solution y is equal to CF plus pi. What is CF? CF is this and pi is this. Take addition of these two.